A troubling wave of disappearances is casting a shadow over communities across Jamaica as a barrage of people, including children, have been reported missing in recent weeks. Since January alone, more than 30 children, some as young as 10 years old, have vanished without a trace. Families are left in anguish, clinging to hope while pleading for answers. Yet many are asking, why aren't there more media headlines on this matter? And why aren't the national alarm bells ringing louder? This is no longer an isolated concern, but a crisis demanding urgent attention, vigilance, and collective action to help bring these children home safely.